Hello everyone, welcome back to our garden life. Just wanted to give you an update on our Keter garden bed. If you look closely, we got a bunch of lilies just getting ready to bloom. They're right here in the back. Got a beautiful cherry tomato in the front. I can't wait till this start giving out some tomatoes. And we have a bunch of romaine lettuce. Look how beautiful these look. So beautiful. And it didn't take so long to pop up. We planted these in like the beginning of May. And look at them now, it's May 25th. I recently planted some butter lettuce in here. See them? Already coming up. And we have some wildflowers in the front. Looking gorgeous. But the lettuce is stealing the show right now. These are delicious. Just wanted to give you guys an update how the bed is going.